Hey everyone, so in this video we're just gonna do a rundown or a quick overview of this amazing app for the Apple Watch. It's basically Twitter on the watch itself. The app is called Chirp for Twitter, and we can see here on the App Store it's recently been updated to support the Apple Watch series and take advantage of the new display, but it still works on previous Apple Watches, and it just gives you obviously the normal rundown of features you can see in the app. Quite a few different things. There's a paid version of the app as well, which lets you do a few other bits and bobs, but once you've downloaded the app itself, it's a matter of obviously just opening the app, and it'll tell you that the app needs to be installed on the Apple Watch. So if you just go over to the watch, you just have to let it install onto the watch itself. So once the app's installed on the Apple Watch, all we have to do is go back to the app on your iPhone. We just sign in. It just gives you a bunch of information in regards to the information the app uses. If you just authorize the app from there, you can choose to follow the developer. I'll do now for now. And so from the phone itself, you can see the settings here. There's a bunch of different things. If you do the paid version, the amount you choose to pay is totally up to you, but it allows you to do these different bits where you can post tweets, reply, direct messages and stuff. You can customize your username color. There's a tipping jar obviously if you want to tip the developer, and there's just different things. Here you can see the account that you've logged into. So if you just go to the app on the watch, we can see this is the interface. You've got a bunch of options. You've got compose tweet, you've got home, trending, any mentions, any messages, there's any lists if you have saved, likes, you can check your profile, you can search, and obviously your settings. So if you just have a look at the top option, creating a tweet itself would need to be done on the Pro version. If you go to home, you can see your timeline here, and obviously scroll through. You can click on tweets. If you're going to play something, it's going to probably take a while to load, but if you go to one without medias, any links on there, you can obviously like the tweet, retweet if you want to. If you go to the trending, you have to set up a country, so if you just select that box, we'll just scroll down to where we are, and if seeing that we're here in the settings now, you can turn the haptics on and off. You can change the user interface, the menu order, the number of lines you see on a tweet, show your own tweets, a bunch of different things you can change there. You can have it set to complication composes a new tweet, or you can have it set to open directly to the timeline. So we can now see the trending page. We've got Brazil playing South Korea at the moment, so we'll have all those bits there. You can obviously check any mentions you have. Messages would obviously be with another Pro feature, and in the settings we just went through those. You can obviously check your profile from here. So that's just a quick overview of the Twitter app. If you're mainly going to be using it on your phone, then I guess that would be the thing. But if there's another time, if your phone wasn't in your hand and you just want to quickly flick through things from your watch, the user interface is really nice, takes full advantage of Series 7 and forward, so looks good.